How can I see my portfolio in Bonefolio? I'm going to show you exactly how to do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, I'm going to start completely over like I'm just logging into the website, and I want to be able to see my portfolios. So I want to see my numbers that's in Shibaswap. So I'm going to click on Use Shibaswap, click on there. So I'm starting right from the beginning. And the next thing I want to go ahead and do, I want to look for Bonefolio. But before I go to Bonefolio, I'm going to need my address. I'll get this right here at the top right corner. You know when it says connect to wallet? Right there. I want to copy this address here. Either it's MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or any of those. If I go to Coinbase wallet, it's the same number. See the 0x50D1. If I go to MetaMask one, it's the same exact number. So it's the same exact number from what I'm seeing there. Let me go back and look at it again. Same exact number. So what I'll do is copy address. So we're going to need this. Then we're going to go over to analytics. Bonefolio. They just updated information in here. It's packed with great information. But we're just going to focus on a few things in here. Click on there. Then at the bottom here that says portfolio, you want to paste your address in here. Now I already pasted in here already, so they already have my information. But if you're just doing this for the first time, it will be a box for you to select. Just paste your address right in there. That's all you do, and then the information will come across. Now, right now, only thing you can really read is the information and the transactions that you set up in your Woof pooling pairing. So right now I have 5 pairings in the pool. So it's actually collecting that information so I don't have to track it myself. So this is how you will bring up your portfolio and Bonefolio. Right now, it just have the Woof pairing and a liquidity pool, and it has all the information here. It has the pairing, it has the deposit. I haven't withdrawn yet from the pool yet, from the pairing yet. I have not done that yet, but I will do one of them here just to show you how to do it if you need to know how step by step. And so you also have the balance. So this is the balance of it. Remember, it has to kind of match. It has to match of the value. And then here's the value of it, the bone pending area, the bone harvest, and then the profit loss. Right now, I'm in a profit $651.94. But look at this. If I refresh this, the number would change because the value and everything is changing in the background. So this is how you read it. This is the value of it. And this is how much I invested. And this is the profit loss in there. So if you want to read your actual portfolio, this is what you do. This is what you do. Now, there's other things in here as well. Take it slow. This is your profile first. Then here you can read more information like Buy Shib, which is going to tell you the APY up to 24 hours, additional Bone APR, and an additional Ethereum APY. So just take this really, really slowly. This is accurately that's happening now at the recording of the video. And it's just going to have the stats for Buy Shib, Buy LEASH, and Buy Bone. But this video is mainly about looking at your portfolio, looking at your pairing, if your liquidity pool, if you have any pairing, and taking it really, really slow. Here is liquidity pool. Here's the deposit, withdrawn, balance, value, bone pending. This is all the stuff that's pending. This is the thing that's basically harvest, and then the profit loss. So take it slow. Make sure that you understand it very, very correctly. And I like this because what I can do, I can go back to the woofing pairing. So this is what I do. So I go back, here's my portfolio, and then, let me close this. And then what I do, I go to one of the Woof pairings. So let's, prime example, I have a pairing right here. So this is it here, and I just match it. Okay, all right, here is the Bone Ethereum, and that's matching. Okay, cool. There it is. Or here's another trick. I can just click on there, and I can kind of see the information as well. I can kind of see more numbers and more information. But if this is too much, if this is too much for you, I will go back to here, to portfolio, and I will just look here, and then here will kind of determine what moves I will make. I'm getting ready very, very soon in my plan to woof this out, this bone out. Then I'm going to go ahead and basically bury that bone. Now remember, I'm only getting 33% of this, so I'm gonna wait longer till it gets to a better high, even this one right here, or maybe this one right here. I'm trying to decide which one. Probably the LEASH bone one now, because it's a little bit higher. So it's 81 of the recording this video. When it gets to probably over 100, I probably started considering to take out of my position there, and then take that bone, the 33% of whatever the value that is, whatever the number that is, and then I'm going to go ahead. My plan is to go ahead and rebury it, because I want to bury more bone. And I'm getting that information from here and also from my portfolio, because then I can kind of see where I can make some moves at and where's my profits at. And then basically it helps me determine this. And then I go back and forth. I'm saying, okay, all right, I see here. All right, I may need to make a move here a couple of days. So I'm keeping an eye on that. This is automatically happening in real time. So I'm automatically getting that bone, And so I'm looking at this. I'm also looking at my portfolio, deciding what I need to do next. Where are the areas that I'm strong at? This right here, it seems like here I'm at a loss. So I may have to make some adjustments here. Maybe I add more liquidity. Maybe I look to do something else, but the ones I'm doing well, like this pairing right here, we're doing pretty good right now. And that's the pairing I'm currently looking at to actually make a move. So that is your reading your Bonefolio, your portfolio in your Bonefolio. And yes, have some fun with that. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this Shibaswap tutorial. Once again, take it slow, take it easy, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and also beware of scammers in the comment box. They're using different things to try to scam you. WhatsApp app, and I do not have a WhatsApp app at all, so be careful on that, and I'll see you on the next video, because this is the place to be for the Shibaswap tutorial and to grow your bank account. I'll see you in the next video.